My friend is gonna try something. Nice experiment. Bro, you threw it too far. No blasting. This one. What do you say about that? Like, how come this is so, you know, different in like,
Yeah,
don't
the
know.
way they are designed,
design is
it's really amazing. Shows the greatness of the designer, who is God the Almighty.
I'd love
How
to go
they
there.
are formed and designed. Glory to my God. And here in this is Iceland, one of the wonders of Iceland. And of course, many of these mountains are active. Of course, this is an active place. Up to now, like hot water is coming from the bottom of this area. Subhanallah, glory to my God. And there, of course, we're on our way to the hot river. It's really nice. I recommend it for you. It's close to Hveragerði, which is not far away from Selfoss city here in Iceland.
Hide this way, you have to hide.
I have to hide what?
Because after all people will come here, it will be hard for...
Aha, so it's your discovery, this beautiful place.
Look, where we were. You remember?
Oh, is that the one?
Yeah, it's the same place.
Oh,
We were there
Yeah.
last time. سبحانك يا عظيم.
ما ننزل حتى هناك ما في داعي ننزل. لا, we don't go to there. No.
how did you discover this place?
That's my secret.
Your secret, okay.
Secret. I'm not from here, but I discover
My
I know Icelandic more than Icelandic people. Icelandic local. You see the place where we were?
yeah, it's
It
there.
was there. And I have climbed this mountain.
Yeah.
I have climbed this mountain. You don't remember?
This one we walked together, is it the one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yalla, no, don't jump.
I think we came here before.
We?
I think so.
Maybe we came down. Yeah, I think. Did you discover something new there, John?
Yeah, so just you can see down the mountains, you can see like hot water that is coming from the bottom of the earth. You see between the mountains to see the greatness of God the Almighty. Yeah, and it's powering right now. Of course, it's over 100 Celsius.
Oh, the temperature is too high.
Yeah, I mean the temperature of the water there, so you cannot even touch it.
I'm gonna take the camera to the more depth.
Yeah, but just watch out there.
Yes, I will.
You see, it's risky to stand there.
Yeah. This not that. Those of your height, challenge yourself here. Ain't no forcing though. Let's go, guys. Yeah. No.
Well, let's have.
Yes.
You have to pay for this secret way.
Why?
This is like
This secret way you have to pay.
We have to come back again.
So my friend is taking payment.
Now you have to pay, man. No. You are happy not to have to find this way, no?
Yeah.
So.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Thank you so
You
much.
have to pay now.
We're going to hot spring now. Noor, can you say something in Hindi? Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक है.
आपको बहुत मुबारक.
Yes. Eid Mubarak. My brother is trying some shortcut.
Oh.
Usama, why do you like shortcuts?
What shortcut is this?
with a ship.
Here on the bridge that leads to the hot spring, wild hot spring here in